Guys, if you are looking for the best flashlight app that can be turned on and off with a clap, operated through phone movements and comes with other exciting features, then I have the perfect app for you. Just follow the steps. Open your app store and search for the LED flashlight app. Once you find the app, download and open it. Now let me walk you through the app's interface and features. You will see a remote light structure on the screen. Let me explain you all these features one by one. First one, blinking mode. There is a button for activating the flashlight blinking feature. Tap it and you can see the flashlight blink. You can also control the speed by clicking here. This button allows you to adjust the blinking speed. Push it up or down to increase or decrease the speed. Then soft light mode option. Here you can see there is a button for blank white screen which can be used as a soft light. Simply click it and the screen turns white. Now this is the useful feature. That's clap control. By using this feature, you can control the flashlight with claps. For example, clap twice and flashlight turns on or off. It's great for urgent situations when you need light quickly. Then here, motion control. Move your phone to the left or right to toggle the flashlight on or off. You can see how it works as I demonstrate here. Then one touch button. This button is for quick on or off control of the flashlight. While it's not particularly useful, it's fun feature. Then night vision. The eye icon works like a camera with flash. Although it does not capture photos, it helps you see in the dark through your phone. You can also zoom in using this button. That's it. I think I have got all these features. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thank you.